After removing the needle, move it to the position below, on top of this elongated straight line, pointing upwards. Bring the needle through again, then wrap the floss around the back of the needle. Pull the needle out. We continue. With the needle pointing upwards, wrap the floss around the needle. Let's pay attention. Don't pull the floss too tight. After pulling the floss, insert the needle at the original position. That's how it's done. This is in situ needle insertion.